Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making our signature milk bottles with a secret ingredient, Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So first of all, in a pan, we will add 750 milliliters of whole, full-fat milk. To that, we will add half a cup of crushed mixed nuts. And for our secret ingredients, that is half a cup of milk powder. Yes, milk powder to the milk. This will ensure a creamy texture. Then we'll add half a cup of sugar. After that, add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now mix thoroughly.
I'm hungry.
Now we need to cook on medium flame until we bring to boil twice. Our milk has boiled twice. It's already looking so creamy and delicious. Our secret ingredients really help to make it nice and yummy. Now it's time to pour some into milk bottles. You can find these in any store. If these are not available, don't worry, you can pour them in glasses as well. Now you need to refrigerate these bottles overnight for a nice, delicious, yummy milk bottle. Here we are, our milk bottles are ready. They're looking so yummy.
I'm hungry.